the hell was that? What the hell was that?
Oh, we're going back to Bill. Come.
Max is alive. What the fuck?
Come, Max.
Yeah. I saved him. He was trying to chase you down the hill as you were getting on your sled to go to Whoville. Yep.
I'm so quick.
We'll get Christmas back, Mitch.
Away from me. Where will I go? Bye. What?
Cliff, I think you got multi-personalities. That's sick.
Diet.
Do you have a heart, Grinch? Do you have a heart?
When I was a child, we had almost nothing. But on the nights when we had a fire, we felt very rich.
Alright, Grinch. Bye now. Sorry that you're green and hairy and full of shit.
Not always. Not always, you know. I'm always.
Alright, turn the video.